أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my dear students. We start next topic. Purchase return and sales return book. Last class we discussed purchase book and sales book. Now in this class we discuss how to prepare purchase return books and sales return books. Purchase return book and sales return books. My dear question: prepare purchase book. Prepare purchase return book and sales return book from the following data. Year 1987, August 1, purchase goods returned to Sunday rupees 205. On August 3, received goods returned by Natraj rupees 300. On August 5, goods returned to Kannan rupees 500. On August 7, sales return of rupees 1260 by Madhavan. On August 15, return effective goods to Rajan 1280. On August 18, damaged goods returned by Murali rupees 1120. Next, on August 23, outward returns to Kangasabai rupees 275. On 29, inward returns by Swaminandan rupees 750. Next, on August 30, return inferior goods to Sankar rupees 890. On 31st, Selvan returns goods to us rupees 1330. Okay, so that is your question. Purchase return book and sales return book. The next question, if I see receipt, now on August 3, received goods returned by Natrajan, so that is called sales return. Okay, purchase question purchase receipt naka sales return goods returned to Kannan normal purchase next sales return next return defective goods to Rajan defective goods purchase return. Next, damaged goods returned by Murali damaged goods returned by Murali goods damage so sales return so that is also coming sales return. Next, outward returns to Kangasabai. Outward means purchase return. Inward means sales returns. Next, 29 inward returns by Swaminandan rupees 750. Okay, inward means sales return, outward means purchase returns. Okay, return outward means purchase return, return inward means sales return. Next, return inferior goods to Sankar. Inferior goods to Sankar 890. Goods on the already nige purchase return nige adu accept padikala nige. 31st, Selvan return goods to us rupees 1330. Okay, now we solve the problem in the books of Mr. So now name has been mentioned, so we write purchase return book. Okay, date color, particular column. Next one is debit note. Ledger below left, amount column in purchase. Okay, next one sales return book. Okay, same method we saw in purchase book and sales book. Same method you follow here also. Purchase book write above, sales purchase rate book, sales rate book you write below. Okay. Shortage of space shortage ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ purchase rate book ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇದ್ರೆ sales rate book ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ purchase rate book ಕೀಲೇ sales book ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 10 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬುಕ್ ಕೀಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. ಪುರಿಜಿಚಾ ಬೈ ಸೆಟ್ ರೆಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬುಕ್ ಕೀಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕೀಲೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. ಡೇಟ್ डेट कॉलम पर्टिकुलर कॉलम क्रेडिट नोट LF amount. Okay. Next, first one. On August 1st, year 1987, August 1987, August. On August 1st, purchase goods returned to Sendil. One. Okay, purchase goods returned to Sendil. Sendil, how much? Rupees 205 amount. 205. Next, receive on 3. Receive goods returned by Natrajan. Date 3. Natrajan. Okay. How much? Rupees 300. Rupees 300 received. Okay. Next, on 5, goods returned to Kannan. Rupees 500. Date January 5, August 5. Kannan, how much? Rupees 500. Okay. Next, on 7, sales returns of rupees 1260 by Madhavan. 7. On August 7, Madhavan returned 1260. Okay. Next, on 15, return defective goods to Rajan. Rupees 1280. Date 15. Rajan, how much? 1280. Next, 18, damaged goods returned by Murli. On 18. Okay, sale பண்ணிருக்காங்க. அந்த சேல்ஸ் என்ன பண்றது? ரிட்டர்ன் பண்றது. So come in sales return book. Damaged goods returned by Murli, rupees 120. Next, on 23, outward means already told. Outward means purchase return. Inward means sales return. Outward returns to Kanga Sabai. Date 23. Kanga Sabai, rupees 275. Okay, next one, inward returns by Swaminathan. Inward return by Swaminathan on 29. Swaminathan, rupees 750. Rupees 750. Okay, next one, return inferior goods to Shankar. Return inferior goods to Shankar, rupees 890. Rupees 890. 38. Shankar. How much? 890. Next one, Selvan, return goods to us. அவனுக்கு என்ன படிக்கிறார்? ரிட்டர்ன் படிக்கிறார். So 31. Selvan. How much? 1330. 1330. Okay. Before start this problem, I clearly explained what is purchase return, what is sales return. Okay. Purchase return वरुण sales return एनालिसिस करो. receipt पंचनाका निके sales return report निके. Purchase इंदाका purchase return निके report निके. अदे वाली goods return, अदे वाली damage return, defective goods निका purchase return, damage goods निका निके sales निके बोलवा. Sales निका आते. अदे वाली outward means purchase return, inward means sales return. Okay वा. So clear है ना वो तो. Before studying, start this problem. Clear now we will explain. Okay, so here we put all the entries in the purchase return book and sales return book. Now we put totals. Put totals. Okay. Here this one 3,150. 3,150. Next one 4,760. 760. Total purchase return total sales return. Okay, here sir we complete this problem. Next class we discuss prepare purchase book, sales book, purchase book and sales book in one problem.